Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to send money to someone on Royal Bank of Canada. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So this one is actually pretty easy. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up the Royal Bank mobile application. Now from the main UI, click the option that says move money. And from there, choose the option that says send and interact e-transfer. Now from there, you need to fill out the necessary details. So that includes the from account. So go ahead and select an account here and choose your account. Now from here, enter the amount that you want to send. And from here, click on done once entered. Now from there, fill out the details for the recipient. Click on it and choose a recipient. But if you don't have the recipient details yet, or you haven't added the recipient details here, just click on the add at the top right and fill out all necessary details. Now from here, we need to do next is we need to choose the notify recipient by. So if you want to choose email, SMS, or email and SMS here. For now, let's just choose email. And from here, we need to set up a security question. So this security question to actually further improve or basically secure your transaction. So go ahead and fill out necessary details. So choose a question, enter the security answer, and confirm security answer. Now also you have the option to add a message here. If you want to add that, hit on continue and just hit on continue again. And from now, just click on send now to complete your transaction and finally click on finish. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.